Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can add music in your Canva. Right? So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is open up your browser and then search for Canva.com. Right. So once you are on the Canva website, what you guys can do is you guys can, check out your design that you want to create. Once you have done that, what you guys can do is you guys can add a music to it. But for me, 'cause I don't have any, design that I have created. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on this video and then try to create something so that I can add a music to that design. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just type. I'm just gonna have something over here. Let's see. Uh, welcome to my video. All right. So as you guys can see, this is the first. The first text I have added to the design, and the second I want to add a subheading in which I'm gonna tell music tutorial, music tutorial. All right, perfect. So guys, as you guys can see, I have successfully created a design for you guys so that I can actually tell you how you guys can a you know add a music to your design. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on this elements option, and there I'm gonna scroll down a little bit and until I see this audio section where I can get all of the music or all of the songs in here. Or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit on this option and then search for audio, or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search for music. Right. So once you do that, here you guys can see this in this audio section. You guys can check out a bunch of different, musics which are in this Canva library, which you can use. But I'm not sure if they are used in the YouTube videos. But what you guys can do is for your projects you can use that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just grab this first song that is Lightness of Being and then put it in here right beneath my design. All right, so perfect. Now it is placed in here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just play this song to see if it is successfully added to my design. So stay with me. All right, perfect. Now I have successfully added my design, music to this design. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, hit in this tab, hit in this share button, and then I'm gonna download this design. But that's how you guys can put music to your designs or put music to your, your creation that you are creating on this Canva browser, right? Canva website. So, for the course of this video, that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So, see you in the next video. Peace.